How to check that the hydraulic system in your condominium is working correctly. The first thing you should do is check the meter's operation to ensure it works properly. To do this, you should check the following: that it is turned on, that it is not displaying an error, that the numbers are working. Make sure that the main switch on the outside of the condo has the switch facing up to confirm it is on. Next, check the circuit breaker box inside the condo and ensure the breaker is on by confirming that the switch is facing up. If you decide to install more expensive electrical equipment such as air conditioners, it should be done separately from the existing circuits because they can be overloaded and damaged. Make sure that the general shutoff valve on the hydraulic line is open. To check this, make sure that the key is in the same direction as the pipe. This way it is open. Confirm that the heater bypass shutoff valve is in the same direction as the piping. This valve is used to feed the hot water line to the condo. Verify that the electric motor is connected to electrical power. All electric motors are configured with a pressure of 2.5 kilograms, which is sufficient for the condo installations. It is not necessary to install any attachments. If, after completing these steps, there is still no water in your condominium, please report the problem to maintenance for assistance. Please refer to your owner's manual for more information about properly using your condominium.